Ready? Go!
Check any engine leakages. That is oil leaking from any parts of your engine from below or at the kick. Oil may leak. Changing the engine oil in Hero Honda Splendor Plus. Full procedure. First take 3M engine oil flush and open the engine cap and pour into it. And then wait for 5 to 10 minutes. Keep your bike in on state and engine keep on running on, and then remove the oil from the bottom of the engine by removing bottom screw. Drain the engine oil from the engine screw below bottom of the engine and pour the engine oil after closing the bottom screw. This is the genuine Castrol engine oil we are using in Splendor Plus, that is Hero Honda Splendor Plus. Okay, pour it into the engine by removing this cap. You can see here engine cap by using a plier, that is cutting plier or anything. Gently open it and you can see here it's opening. You can see, you can check these levels of the engine oil also. I have already removed the engine oil from my engine, as my engine oil has a gaps and oil seal was damaged, so we changed the oil seals also. And now we are pouring the engine oil into the engine. You can buy the engine oil from the genuine shops, only genuine products, or at online. Better to buy online, as genuine products at best prices you can get. I also buy it from the online, that is from the Amazon. You can see now I have been opened, the seal also there. Now I am going to pour the engine oil. Take any funnel type structure. You may take funnel also. I have taken a bottle. Just take a bottle and cut its neck part, and it will change into the funnel type. Now you can easily pour into the engine. Nothing will fall outside the engine. You can see clearly. Pour gently, slowly. All will be get into the engine safely. You can see how clearly it's getting into the engine without any leaking at the engine cap hole. You can see clearly. You can self-repair yourself easily at your home. No need to go for any automobile shops, etc. Here we are using genuine engine oil. You may take any brand, but don't use local brands. Use the brands which is very popular and known, so that it will be genuine. The local brands are very cheap and used. They may be some impurities in that engine oil, as they some use impurities in their engine oil, that is filtered or something like that. So be careful. I recommend best brands which are very popular and that must be genuine product only. There are many fake products available, same as their company names. So be careful while purchasing any products, that is engine oil or any parts or anything. Okay, it takes to 15 to 30 minutes full procedure. Be patient. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel if you like this video. I will keep on uploading more videos on this and many more topics. So please subscribe my channel. Like, share, comment for any doubts. Okay? Now done. pouring oil is completed. You can see the bottle is empty. Oh no, man, it's fallen down. You can see here. Let us check the engine oil levels now. I will show you inside the engine a little more. It's slightly not clear, but you can see inside. You can see. You can able to see that. The engine oil is the main thing which plays a crucial role in your bike. Using the genuine engine oil will make your engine good performance. Here there was an oil leakage at this kick shaft. So the oil seals was been replaced earlier. That is before pouring this engine oil. We have been replaced the oil seals. No leakage will be there now. You can see. This is the Hero Honda Splendor Plus. Here also there was an oil seal which was leaking. So here also we have been replaced an oil seal. Now closing the tap, that is engine cap tightly. By changing this oil will make your bike performance good. That is, the performance of the engine will be improved and the mileage also improved. Pickup problems and jerking and all other issues may be related to the engine will be almost fixed. A good engine oil will make the engines frictionless. The engine oil makes the engines friction, that is, which reduces the friction of the engine. That's why the oil is used for reducing the engine's friction and smoothens the engine. You can see the levels vibing that. Sure. Thanks for watching.